Patrick Brooks, and this is another episode of Navatlas Garage. Today I'm going to overview our Bluetooth controllers, starting off with the Na1Bt cage mount Bluetooth controller and our Na2Bt rocker switch Bluetooth controller and module. In this segment, I'm going to overview all the form and functions of each of the Bluetooth controllers. I'm going to go over the wiring and how they integrate into our sound bars and our zone packages. This is an overview of the Na1Bt cage mount Bluetooth controller. Power on and off, turns on and off your audio system. EQ, flat, low, mid, and high, adjust the EQ levels of your audio with a touch of a button. Lights on and off. All Navatlas soundbars and cage speakers come with LED lights, so you can turn them on and off via this button. Track forward, track back. You can forward to a song or go back to a certain song. Volume up and volume down. Pause, play, and mute button. And then there's an indicator light showing that your cell phone's connected to it. There's a removable panel here, so you can expose an aux in or a USB port, so you can charge your cell phone or direct connect your cell phone via 3.5-inch aux cable to play your audio directly to the Bluetooth controller. This is a cage mount Bluetooth controller with a nice aluminum cage bracket. Swivels up and down, side to side with nice mobility depending on how you're mounting it. It fits cages 1.5 to 2 inch with the provided inserts to your cage requirements. You can take off the cage bracket and it becomes a surface mount. Also, you have the ability to make it flush mount. Cut a hole in your dash, mount the plastic bracket into it, take off the rubber coating, snap it into the bracket, and you're ready to go. It's flush mount. Got a DIN plug connection, so it's watertight once you connect it to your cabling. The cable that's provided is a DIN plug to RCA, 3 RCAs, gray, red, and white. When you connect to a Navatlas speaker amplifier, you'd use the gray button, or the gray RCA only, not the red and the white. If you're going to connect it to another manufacturer's amplifier or speaker, you'd use the red and white only, not the gray. Comes with power ground remote wires to control the power of the Bluetooth controller. That's the cable that's provided with the Bluetooth controller. I would suggest to buy the D2D cable. It eliminates the RCA, makes for a nice watertight connection. Plus, it eliminates running a power wire to the Bluetooth controller because the speaker will power the Bluetooth controller. This is the NS14A, 14-inch soundbar. See, that's a really nice connection. Watertight. Water will not get in there. Na1Bt, D2D cable, NS14A, 14-inch soundbar. This is the packaging. Nice gift packaging. All the details on it. That's the Na1Bt Bluetooth controller. This is an overview of the Na2Bt rocker switch Bluetooth controller. EQ. You can set your EQ settings to flat, low, mid, and high for dynamic audio. Lights on and off. All Navatlas soundbars and cage speakers come with LED light strips, so you can turn them on and off via this button there. On and off button, so you can turn on and off your system. Plus, it's an LED light that indicates that your cell phone is connected via Bluetooth to your Bluetooth controller. Pause, play, and mute button. Also track forward, track back, and volume up, volume down. Both on the same button. Long for the track up and track down, and short for the volume up, volume down. We also provide a secondary rocker switch that has an aux in and USB. USB is for charging your cell phone, and aux in is if you decide to directly wire your cell phone to the Bluetooth controller, and you can run it that way. This is the module. All the connections are watertight. They're all DIN plug connections. The cable that comes with the system is a DIN plug to RCA. RCA, there's 3 RCA wires, gray, white, and red. When you're connecting any Navatlas system, you would use the gray wire only. It's a digitally processed connection. And on any other manufacturer's connections, you'd use the red and white RCAs to connect to an amplifier or another sound bar of another manufacturer's. Comes with power ground remote to power the controller. When you're running a Navatlas system, one of our zone packages, a soundbar, amplifier, cage speaker, I would suggest you use a D2D cable, DIN plug to DIN plug. It cleans up the system, it eliminates the RCAs, so you have a watertight connection. So all you do is you plug it into your module this way, your Bluetooth module. And this is a digital module, so this activates the digital processor in all the Navatlas amplifiers. So that's something that's unique to Navatlas. You take the other one to your speaker, like this. This is the NS 14A, 14-inch soundbar. Using the D2D cable, you have a nice waterproof connection. And that's the Na2Bt rocker switch Bluetooth controller by Navatlas.